Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new challenge video. So today we will be doing one dip challenge. It's a really interesting challenge video. So I am really not sure who actually started this video. Maybe Nikki Tutorials or someone else, I'm not sure, but it's just you have to dip in your makeup products just once and you have to use it on your face just once. You can't dip in more than once. So that's the challenge for today's makeup. I thought I'm just gonna try because we tend to dip in a lot of times. So yes, let's see whether I'll be able to do my makeup properly. I'll be doing very simple makeup obviously because I really can't do a difficult one because that's not possible for Nikki Tutorials, not for us. And if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews, hauls, makeup challenges. So if you are interested and if you want to, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I'm uploading a video. And the link to my Instagram is also there. If you want, you can check it out. And without wasting time, let's get into the challenge video. So I've already primed my face, moisturized. I'm not going to use any primer. So I think for foundation, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty one because it's a nice full coverage. I'm just going to take this much on my hand, 2 pumps, 1.5 2 pumps, and whatever I have to dip just once. So I'm gonna try to, actually I can't dip it twice, so I'm just gonna take that and whatever, because you can't dip in the product twice and I'm not sure how much coverage this is gonna give me, and whatever is left is just left, so I can't really use that. I wanted to use this foundation because it's really nice and it's I mean full coverage and it goes, you don't need a lot, so that is why I wanted to use this. And I mean I really don't use a lot of foundation full coverage kinds. I mean I need little bit more. I mean for my face, I mean that's enough, and I'm not sure why this is looking too light for me. So that is for foundation. Now for concealer, I'm going to use my Lara Mercier. I'm really liking this concealer because it is really good and blends really fast. So I have to just dip it in once, and this usually doesn't pick up a lot of products, so whatever I can use, I'm just gonna use that. Oh my god, I need little bit of concealer. I mean I have dark circles, so I usually dip in twice because this is not full coverage. So whatever is there on my brush, I'm trying to use that. This is really nice concealer, it blends really nicely. I hope this is enough for me. I mean that is pretty good, and I actually have applied a lot of foundation. Now for the powder, I mean I dip in my powder a lot, so I think I should take a big brush to set my under eyes because I usually dip in a lot of times. So because I have to use this powder also on my entire face. Okay, we'll count face powder and under eye powder different. Yes, so I'm just gonna take this much and apply on my under eyes because I mean my under eye gets really crazy. I mean I picked up a lot of powder. I don't bake, but I just use powder just for a few seconds to set my, I mean I have dark circles, so just keep it for few seconds. I mean for my face, I'm gonna take this powder because why not, because I need to set my face, so that I can't, I mean that was a different powder, this is a different powder, so I'm just going to dip it in once, and actually that's all I can dip. I mean I'm not sure how I'm gonna do the eyeshadow because I mean there is nothing left on the brush. Now for bronzer, okay, again just have to dip it once. I don't think I could pick up a lot. I mean there is no bronze on my face. I need a little bit more of the bronzer because this is nothing. For blush, I'm going to use the Nars palette because why not? Maybe I'm going to mix in like these two shades or like these two shades. I mean, that's a lot. That is actually like too much. I dipped in like a lot. There is nothing as too much blush. You can always like tone it down. I mean, that was actually like for blush and it was like too much. I think for highlighter I'm going to take the Benefit one because this is like really, I mean, it's blinding. So I'm just going to take like one. I mean, that's actually a lot because this is like blinding, so I actually don't need to use a lot. I mean, I can still see my dark circles. I mean, I couldn't sleep yesterday. I was awake till like 5 in the morning. I am really not sure why I was awake, but I mean, I was awake. I couldn't sleep. There's that. Now I think for eyeshadow, I think I'm gonna use the Naughty Nude palette from Huda Beauty because that is on my desk and because that is what I'm using since 2 or 3 days. I'm continuously like making videos on this, so I'm just using this. So I'm quickly just gonna do some simple, maybe matte eyeshadow. I'm just gonna dip it like once and I just have like that much on my eyes and my eyes is like creased. I'm just going to use this one color. I mean, I haven't even like picked up anything. I mean, nothing is like left on the brush. Oh my god, that is going to be like a disaster. These steps while doing an eyeshadow, that counts, right? I mean, I can't like just dip once in too many colors. I mean, nothing is left on the brush. I think I will be taking like this shade because it was actually really pretty. I'm just going to dip it in like this shade. That's what I could like pick up. Trying to do a simple eyeshadow look. I mean, I'm just going to use the first brush to blend because nothing is actually left on the brush, so I'll use it to blend. Oh my god, my eyeshadow is like so messy. I'm gonna count my eyeshadow like steps different, separate. I'm just going to dip it in like once and slide and blend motion. Okay, that is what I could do. I'm going to take like one deep shade. I'm just going to dip it once and just put a little bit on the outer corner. I mean, that didn't actually make it like any difference. This like cream shadow I can like pick up a lot. I honestly need like more. I mean, how do people do like perfect looks with such challenges? Okay, that is what I can do actually. And for inner corners, I'm going to actually dip in this like dual chrome shade. Oh my god, I have like put so much here. I have like so much shimmer going on around here. Eyebrows and waterline like doesn't count, right? Because honestly I can't. I'm just going to use the LA Girl Glide pencil in my waterline because I can't just dip it once. I'm going to use it like normally. Now for lips, I think I will be taking the lip liner, my LA Girl Perfect Precision lip liner in the shade Sugar and Spice. I don't think this also counts actually. I'm going to just line my, and I think for lips I'm going to use the, for lipstick I'm going to use the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick because I really love this, and I think bullet lipstick would not be, I mean liquid lipstick would be better to use. So I'm just going to, I mean I could pick up like a lot, so that's better. Nice. I'm just going to let it like dry quickly. Oh, okay, mascara I can do it on camera, but I don't think I'm gonna do like my lashes on camera because no lashes and like no brows, that doesn't count in the challenge actually. Till then I'm just going to use the mascara, so I'm just have to like just dip in once. Okay, so this is what I have to like use. I mean actually lashes like save your day. Otherwise I actually have to like dip in 2 or 3 times usually, and whatever is left I'll take it on my lower lash line. This mascara I like more for my lower lash line rather than for my lashes. Actually doesn't give me that like lift. Now quickly we will just use a lip gloss. I'm just going to use the Essence one. I love glosses and I just couldn't like pick up anything. I mean that much is what I could like pick up. I mean nothing is there on my stick. Anyways, that is much better. I mean my under eyes is so bad. My smile lines are so bad. I couldn't actually like set it properly and it's bad. Anyways guys, now quickly I'm just going to do my brows because I'm not gonna do like one dip challenge for that because it's not possible. I will have like bald eyebrows and I'm just going to maybe put some lashes and I'll just be back. So guys, I finally finished my makeup. I did a little bit to my eyebrows. I have applied eyelashes from Huda Beauty because that is my like go-to eyelashes. So my under eyes is so bad and my smile line is like sinking so much because I haven't set properly, and I mean my eyeshadow is like okay, bronzer is like nowhere on my face, blush is okay, but I mean it was pretty good but not that great actually because I really don't see any bronzer on my face because I couldn't like I think pick up a lot and there is like nothing. I mean it was a pretty good one dip challenge. So yes, this was actually all for today's video. It was like a quick one. Anyways guys, this was actually all for today's video. Let me know whether you liked it or not. I mean I could have like done better because I do like my makeup every day. So anyways, this was actually all. I'm really not sure who started this challenge, but if I can find it I'll put the link in the description below so you can like check that person's page. Have any idea for some makeup challenges, please do let me know in the comment section so I can like do more makeup challenge videos on my channel because I like to do like once in a while, maybe once in like 2 weeks I like to do like makeup challenges. So please, if you have any suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section so I can check it out. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.